Hey, I'm Chef Chris with Land O'Lakes Culinary Center. Nothing's worse than showing up for work and finding you've been short a product that you were expected to use. Trust me, I've been there plenty of times. You've got no choice but to create something great while being pressed for time. Land O'Lakes premium sauces are here to help. I'm going to be showing you a few techniques to execute great menu items using Land O'Lakes cheese sauces and products you're likely to have on hand. These concepts are highly customizable to fit the flavor profiles of your customers and the needs of your operation. You'll see that I'm making a 5-pound pouch-sized batch, but these concepts easily scale up to the portions you need. So we're going to start with some quick mac and cheese. I found cooked taco meat, black olives, frozen diced peppers and onions, and of course there's some macaroni. So I'm going to make a Tex-Mex mac and cheese. I'm taking Land O'Lakes Queso Bravo dip, thinning it a little, then I'm going to gently mix in all the ingredients. I'll check for seasoning, place in a hotel pan, and wrap and place in the steamer. I'll steam this till it hits about 165 Fahrenheit and it's ready for service. Next, we're going to take some cooked diced chicken, some California blend vegetables, ranch seasoning, and Land O'Lakes extra melt cheese sauce. Just like the mac, we'll mix it all up and check for seasoning. And then we'll place in hotel pans and heat to 165. You can serve this with biscuits, dinner rolls, or some puff pastry. Sometimes you just need a sauce in a pinch. Well, we've got you covered. Take some mushrooms and roast them, then heat up some Land O'Lakes extra melt Monterey Jack cheese sauce. Puree the two together for that great umami kick to set off your entrees. Of course, these are just a few of the ways you can use Land O'Lakes premium sauces. They make great bases for creamy soups, drizzles on pizzas, cold spread for sandwiches and wraps, and of course, they're outstanding cheese sauces to serve them as you need. Responding to crises like not getting the right product in are really all in a day's work for food service. We at Land O'Lakes want to help you get through these challenges and deliver high quality menu items to your customers with ease. Of course, there's plenty of great resources and inspirations over at landolakesfoodservice.com.